Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide display page from system settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings and then click on System on left pane. From system settings, I want to hide these display settings. Close settings, insert, type GP edit, click on edit group policy. Group policy editor has been opened. Under computer configuration, go to administrative template, expand it, and then click on control panel. Here you will find a settings page visibility. It's not configured. Right click on settings page visibility, click on edit. Now click on enable and here settings page visibility, type hide clone display. Now click on apply, then click on OK. To make your changes effective immediately, you need to update the group policy. To update group policy, right click on start menu, click on run. In run, type gp update /force and then click on OK. Group policy is updating. Computer policy update has been completed successfully. Now I am going to check. Right click on start menu, click on settings. In left pane, click on system and look, now display page is not showing in system settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.